Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Identify whether the speaker is active or passive and make sure power is off. You gather a potentiometer suited to audio use, a multimeter, and connecting cables. This lets you measure and insert a control safely. Once you verify impedance and power ratings, locate the signal wire and ground. Then, make a clean splice point on the signal path where the volume potentiometer will sit. Make sure to label wires so you don't reverse polarity later. You now wire the potentiometer into the signal path. First, confirm resistance value appropriate to line or speaker level to avoid load issues. Next, mount the pot so it's accessible and route the input signal to one outer lug, the output from the wiper, and ground to the other outer lug. This creates an adjustable voltage divider. Once done, solder or use reliable crimp terminals and apply heat shrink for insulation. Make sure to secure cables with strain relief so movement won't stress solder joints. You finish by reassembling and powering the system while keeping volume low, then sweep the control through its full range and listen for smooth change. If you hear crackling, power down and clean the pot with contact cleaner or replace it. Worn tracks cause noise. If distortion or low output persists, double-check impedance matching, wiring, and that the potentiometer rating suits the signal. Swap to a higher power rated part if you drove the pot beyond specs. Make sure connections are solid before concluding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.